My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I know I've been missing in action for a couple weeks. I traveled to Chicago to see my kids. My daughter's going to be moving out of the country, so I needed to say goodbye to her till I was able to fly out and visit her. And I had a wonderful time seeing my close friends and everybody that I left behind in Chicago when I moved to Arizona. Then my boyfriend picked me up at the airport and we did some more traveling. So I came home to numerous amount of boxes. So I will be doing filming forever. So today, my box is new to my channel. It's the Fashionista The Box. And I forgot to look it up as always. And I want to say it was like $15 and then you had to pay for shipping. So I believe it was under 20, but by the time I post this video, it will be flashing across the bottom of the screen. This is a new monthly subscription. I think they just came out with it last month, or it's really relatively new. So let's get into it. And it's got the little sticker, the box. And I remember I had to go on a waiting list, and then they emailed me when I was able to order it. And it has beauty and makeup products. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty and your patience while I was traveling all over. And so excited. I think I did watch 1 or 2 unboxings of this when I was in Chicago. So you open it up, and it's like most of the other boxes, there is a card. Please excuse the plain, unmarked black box. In order to expedite your subscription without further delay, we opted to send this box style. We apologize you missed out on the Box by Fashionista unboxing experience. Please forgive us and enjoy this month's glam-packed box. So I guess this is not the normal box. And then the next card, everything that's in there, so I'm not going to peek. You open it up and there's a little the box sticker. And of course, all the stuff that I managed to get all over the floor. So the first item is by Beauty Blusher, and it looks like a little itty bitty, and you know I can't open anything. Oh. It's a tiny little blusher. I'm just going to move the camera. I think the ring light is bringing in too much light. Okay, so it looks like this. And let's see what that retails for. Already I'm spilling these little things all over. And the Beauty Blender Beauty Blusher, the mid-size applicator is designed to deliver and seamlessly blend the perfect amount of blush onto your cheeks. It retails for $16. I'm sorry, that is not $16. I know they're expensive, like the big ones are like $20, but $16? Okay. The next item in the box is Soothe Operator Very Hydrating Face and Body Mist. And this is definitely a nice size. I gotta stop for 1 second because this ring light is totally blinding me. I'm thinking that's a little better. When I edit it, I'll find out. So it's a spray face and body mist. And let's open this guy. Desert Lime, Aloe, Kakuta, Plum, and Desert Lime. Oh, it does smell very good. Shake before using, spritz directly onto clean, dry skin for instant relief. So it does have a nice, refreshing smell to it. So that's nice. And get the card. Soothe Operator retails for $18. Would I pay $18 unless this made me 30 years younger? I probably wouldn't spend $18. But is it a great value in a subscription box? Absolutely. The next item is NCLA Barbie Lipstick. And I don't know if I've heard of this brand, but I do have coming up in one of my unboxings the new Barbie palette and lipstick, and I think I got the stuff for the face. So in one of these many boxes, I will be unboxing that as well. This is the packaging, and oh my. It's like an iridescent color. Can you see that? It's really kind of neat. I have lipstick on. I have on an orange color that I got in my Tetris palette. So I don't want to try this, but I'm definitely going to keep it and try it. And I'll let you know when I put it on. And the lipstick... Sorry, just getting back from traveling is not working out with me. The NCLA Jelly Balm Lipstick retails for $16. So far, this is actually a great box for the price. The next thing is Ear Atelier Eye Primer. And I love some eye primers. Since I'm working on practicing eyeshadow looks, I have to find the right eye primer for me. I watch a lot of videos with a lot of primers, so it's nice to get them in the box. This is what it looks like. You can see that. And I'm afraid because I don't know what it looks like inside. It's a wand. Get the glow out of there. But it's a doe foot wand. Goes on very light. But it's hard to tell because this ring light is just... I don't know if you can see that. And put it over here, but it's very light. And the Ear Atelier, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, eye primer retails, are you ready? $32. So again, when you get subscription boxes, it's definitely a better deal than going and buying it. Okay. The next thing is by Sigma, and I'm pretty sure we've gotten things from them before. Prime and Control Brow Wax. So that's always a great product as well. Can never get too many of those. And it looks like this. I'm not going to open it because I have a couple that are already opened and I don't want them to dry out. So let's see how much that is. The Sigma Prime Control Brow Wax. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it retails for $16. So definitely the price of this box is well worth it. And I think we've got one more thing. Oh, two more things. Is a Relier 3 Feel Beautiful Shadow Palette. Really nice packaging. And okay, this is the outside. Wow, these are beautiful fall colors. The plastic thing is on it, but they're very pretty fall colors. So I'm definitely liking this palette. And that retails for $28. So it's on the high end of a palette, but we'll find out if it's worth it. I'm not going to swatch it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm going to look at all the palettes that I have. Otherwise, I just might give it away. But it's a beautiful palette. And then there is one more thing in the box. And I know it's a lipstick. It's called Galactic Matte Lip Paint. Sorry, it's a paint. It's not a lipstick. And this is definitely a Robyn color. I like the mauvies. And let's swatch it. Oh, it goes on super nice. It's a little bit on the thick side, so I would be careful when I put it on my lips the next time. But it's a really pretty color. And that retails, I saw it somewhere, the Long Lasting Matte Lip Paint Liquid Lipstick is $23. So the total retail value of this box is $149. And again, I will put the price below, and it looks like, I don't know if this is a referral code for you to use or not, if you decide you want it, but it's an awesome referral code, is 30% off. So I will leave that link below. I don't get anything for it. It looks like it's just a referral code. And I might have used it when I bought my box, and that's why it was so inexpensive. But I'll leave all the details below. This box came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. 7 full-size products. I definitely think it's worth it. I'm going to try a bunch of these products. I'll keep you posted. Thumbs up if you like this video. And again, you guys have an awesome day. Okay, I just want to add, hopefully you're still watching, they put in a thank you card for the eye makeup, that they donate part of their proceeds to a nonprofit organization that helps advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the U.S. So I just wanted to enclose that card because that is totally awesome. So thank you. Bye-bye.